Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to our virtual Better Together session. We're going to talk about very briefly our behavior expectations, talk about the growth mindset, and introduce you to a read aloud. First of all, we want to start with our school-wide behavior expectations matrix. This is something that looks a little different this year. We took our essentials from our houses and we aligned them into different areas of our building to provide you with some expectations. So what you'll notice as you look at this with your teachers, we have the different areas in the building listed across the top and then our houses listed down the side. And so we looked at certain expectations that we have for our building and we put them into different categories there. So for example, in the classroom, we can model our service expectations by being kind to others, standing up for what is right, and taking care of our materials. Another example would be in the hallway. We can practice our achievement expectations by being ready to move and facing forward, as well as keeping the line moving. So we want you to take time today in your classrooms to look at these expectations with your teachers. We want you to know as well that these are things that we are looking for to reward you with dojo points. So we know that dojo points are used across our building. In every classroom, every adult has access to dojo, and we are also providing you with some kind of incentive for those dojo points, whether it be classroom coupons or other activities in the classroom. Our discipline matrix is something that Mr. Price and I typically follow, and we also confer with Ms. Robertson for some of the more major discipline problems. But when we have behavior concerns, we kind of use this as a guide. Just to kind of see that, just to make sure that we're being fair when we are issuing a discipline or consequence for students. So that's just very quickly, in a nutshell, our behavior expectations. And I'm going to turn it over to Mr. Price.
All right. Hi, guys. Mr. Price here. Just wanted to remind you about using a growth mindset. So just like your bodies are growing, your mind is still growing. So what I'd like for you to do for just a moment is to think about something that you are really good at. You don't have to say it out. Just have that in your mind, something that you are good at, you feel really confident in. All right? And now maybe something that you want to learn. Again, you don't have to say it out. Just think about that. Keep those goals in your mind as you move through this year and those things that you're good at. We can build on our strengths, and then the things that maybe we're weaker at and we need more practice at, we're going to continue to work on those things. Also, I want to talk to you about the way you talk to yourself, all right? So instead of saying, I can't, we could say something like, I need more practice. So for me, one of my goals is to become better with my Spanish. So instead of saying, I can't speak Spanish, what I'm going to say is, I need more practice. I can't speak Spanish yet. All right? So that's just a difference in the way you talk to yourself and the way that you treat your strengths and your weaknesses. And then the last thing that I wanted to share with you is this song. It's about the power of yet. I'm not going to play it, but you can ask your teacher to play this song. They will have access to the link, and I think it's a lot of fun. So keep those things in mind. Keep a growth mindset. Continue to grow your brain throughout the school year.
All right. Hey, boys and girls. Miss Robertson here. Above all else, you will hear me say numerous times, be kind and be the change. Boys and girls, if you look at this quote here, always be a little kinder than necessary. If we continue to be kind and be kinder than necessary, think of all the change we can make in this world. And that's all that we're asking, is to be kind. So now there is a book that is a read aloud that you can play next called Seeds and Trees, a really good book that talks about the bad seeds and the good seeds that you'll get a lot out of and enjoy Miss Garland reading to you. Also, two big ideas for this. You get out of life what you put into it. Are you giving your 110% every single day? Are you getting what you get? Are you putting in all that you can every single day? And also, are your actions and words worthy of sharing and getting in return? It's kind of like the golden rule. You treat others how you want to be treated. So think about that next time that you say a comment to somebody. Would you like for somebody to talk to you like that? Or would you like somebody to act like that towards you? Always follow that golden rule. All right, boys and girls, we hope that you have a great day. Always remember to follow our expectations every single day and represent yourself well as a JMB Gym. Have a great day.